guys, welcome to Maneuver. I'm Advocate Nisha Lotia and my today's video is about the entire syllabus details of SET 2020. First of all, let me wish you all the best for your 12th boards, and I'm sure if prepped smart, you will really fetch good marks, guys. Coming back to the SET 2020, which is nothing but a symbiosis entrance test for your BBA program, it is scheduled very much after your 12th exam, guys. So you have very less time. There is no chilling time between the two exams, that is your 12th boards and your symbiosis. Please take that into consideration, guys. So this video is going to be about the entire syllabus awareness, which is your first step towards the prep strategy if you want to get into the college of, say, symbiosis, which is one of the prestigious college today in Maharashtra, guys. So what I want to tell you is I want to keep you motivated with this tagline, which is your dreams, and that is our mission. What does it mean? You dare to dream to enter into a college of symbiosis, and the entire team of Maneuver Education is getting the tools prepared for you for your entrance exam, guys. The books, the contents, the questions, the syllabus, GK is taken care of. Everything is into full swing just because it will help you guys to enroll into symbiosis. Now, for this reason, to get into contact with us, we have arranged a crash course program which is starting from 18th of March, immediately right after your board exams. And please take this into notification that we have only 50 seats, guys. We are not enrolling admissions after this number because we cannot give personalized attention. So, register today itself when you're watching this video. As it is, we will not enroll anybody after this. In case you want to book online but cannot reach us due to the, say, time constraint, or if you are staying at Panvel or Thane or Nagpur or somewhere like that, you can make an online payment for through net banking also, and whereby the link for the same has been mentioned in the description. In Mumbai, we are located at 3 places: Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. The 3 numbers have been mentioned over here, and you can contact us and ask for any queries, whereby the counselors will be really helpful. We are pan-India, so you can contact us on this number also. For any other query and information, do visit our website maneuveredu.com, BBA entrance, guys. Now, let me make you aware with the structure of the SET examinations, guys. The examinations is going to be held on 2nd of May, okay, which is your Saturday. And the duration is just 150 minutes for your 150 questions. Now, ये 150 questions कैसे divide किया है 4 sections में, we're going to see that. General English is for, say, 40 questions, 40 marks. Quantitative, 40 questions, 40 marks. GK, the current affairs, general awareness, 40 questions, 40 marks. Your analytical and logical reasoning is 30 questions, 30 marks. So, ये चारों क्या है आपका 150 questions out of 150 for your 150 marks, and the duration is just 150 minutes, guys. So practically देखा जाए तो एक पूरा मिनट भी नहीं मिलता है एक आंसर के लिए. So we here at Maneuver teach you how to handle questions in, say, few seconds, guys. And the main thing is that you do not have a negative marking. So आपका speed इतना ही important रहेगा जितना आपका accuracy रहेगा. You have to attempt the entire paper because there is no negative marking. Correct? It goes without saying that all the sections are going to be mandatory, guys. Now, as I told you, the awareness of the syllabus, and what next is the types of questions what you are going to encounter on your D-Day is very important. Why? Because आप एक competition level समझो, when you want to get into the into college of symbiosis, the competition is going to be really tough. Now, when you are not even aware कि आपका syllabus क्या होगा या आपका question type क्या होगा, so you will really lag behind, guys. You will really lag behind. There are the main 2 constraints what I have been noticing since years for your symbiosis. वहाँ पे बच्चा क्यों नहीं क्रैक कर पा रहा है? एक तो competition level को seriously नहीं लेते हैं. दूसरा, they get exhausted with the 12th preparation, guys. Do not do that. Stretch 1.5 month more and you are done with your career. You're done. आपका life set हो जाएगा. एक बार आपको symbiosis का stamp मिल जाएगा. So guys, keep yourself motivated and trust us, as your dream is our mission, guys. So you can join Maneuver for the relevant and the concise syllabus, and the concise and right types of questions which practiced will 100% fetch you, 100 marks. We assure कि आप हमको अगर properly follow करते हो, then we, give your best shot, then, we will really score better, guys. So the first topic when it comes to quantitative aptitude is nothing but your partnership. टाइम स्पीड एंड डिस्टेंस, पीपल को, स्टूडेंट्स को नॉर्मली ये टॉपिक बहुत टफ लगता है, बट आवर मेंटर्स हियर हैव एन इन अ स्पेशल एक्सपर्टाइज व्हेन इट कम्स टू टाइम स्पीड एंड डिस्टेंस. They will make you solve things in just few minutes because they have all these shortcut tricks for such, important topics, guys. Next comes your geometry, ratios and proportion, percentages, number systems, averages, allegations and mixtures, work and time, quadratic and linear equations, permutations and combinations, tabulations, pie charts, bar charts, algebra, profit and loss, pipes and cisterns, simple and compound interest, probability and mensuration. ये सारे topics important है, guys. You cannot, आप इसमें से एक भी drop नहीं ले सकते हो, आपको सब कुछ करना है, वो भी सबके shortcut tricks के साथ. बिकॉज यू हैव जस्ट अ सिंगल मिनट, उसमें आपको क्वेश्चन को पढ़ना भी है, समझना भी है, एंड आपको वर्कआउट भी करना है. सो शॉर्टकट ट्रिक्स आर वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके गाइज, सो आई मस्ट से द बेसिक्स ऑफ योर 10th 11th and 12th are very important when it comes to solving these types of quantitative aptitude questions, guys. So we here at Maneuver start things from the basics, guys. अगर आपका क्वांट हो या आपका इंग्लिश हो, वी स्टार्ट प्रेपरेशंस फ्रॉम द बेसिक्स. सो यू कैन रियली जॉइन अस फॉर ऑल द right material, guys. Next comes is your general English, guys. General English, what is it about? It is about how your English is gonna be different from the English what you have been doing since your childhood. Questions, देखो basics उनका same होता है. The basic grammar is the same. Like say what is a noun, what is a pronoun. But then what changes is your types of question, guys. Types of question really changes when it comes to what? Your English. So first thing over here I have to mention is your reading comprehension. When people want to test your English, reading comprehension plays the most dominating part, guys. It consists of maximum marks and you have to answer an entrance level paper as per the author's point of view and not your personal point of view. This is the main difference between school level ka reading comprehension and entrance level ka reading comprehension. Next is your analogy. What does analogy mean? Analogy means, pointing out the relationship between the two different categories given to you. In the Maneuver books also we have lot of good contents when it comes to analogy. Okay, word usages, grammar rule. Now this grammar rules means what? You won't have a question saying here is a statement and you have to underline what is an adverb or what is a collective noun. Questions are not going to be that. Questions are going to be hardcore grammar rules. Say collective noun takes singular verb, or if a statement is introduced by an adverb, then the inverted form of statement is used. These types of grammar rules are very important when you want to crack set 2020 paper. Okay guys, next comes your fill-ups, which is nothing but your cloze test. Okay, this is your cloze test full of your vocabs. Then comes the error deduction, again based on your grammar. Then comes your paragraph jumble, where what happens is the entire paragraph is jumbled. Like say there are 4 to 5 sentences mentioned and you have to arrange them, sequence it properly to make it a meaningful paragraph, guys. Next comes is your verbal reasoning, vocab based questions, your synonyms and antonyms, again sentence improvement and correction, which is again your grammar based. So here at Maneuver we start the preparation with the grammar itself, which will fetch you say 7 to 8 marks out of your 40 marks. So एक बार आपका ग्रामर हो जाता है, एक बार आपका आरसी हो जाता है, so half of the English is done. Thereby we take care of the cloze test and your paragraph jumbles, which covers the other major sections, and then the miscellaneous, which are your phrasal verbs and sentence improvement and those types of questions. So we have an entire intact program which will help you lot of for your English preparation, guys. Next is your logical reasoning. This is something which is full of shortcut tricks एंड मेथड्स गाइज, यहाँ पे आपको ट्रिक्स ही यूज करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, देन ओनली यू कैन क्रैक इट इन जस्ट से 1 मिनट. अगर शॉर्टकट ट्रिक्स आपको नहीं आती है देन दिस सेक्शन गेट्स रियली बिट डिफिकल्ट. Number and letter series, coding and decoding, blood relations, syllogisms, directions, ranking, arrangement, verbal and critical reasoning, input, output, analogies, classification, problems on dice, visual reasoning, miscellaneous, everything, the basics and the advanced puzzles, everything are taken care of when you join Maneuver, because we have a team who has an expertise in this and who appear paper every year, so they know what types of questions you're going to encounter in a D-Day and how you can solve them in the limited time frame, which is very important because remember 150 questions and just 150 minutes guys. Okay, coming back to the last and most crucial part of it, which is your GK and current affairs, which keeps on changing every day guys. So current affairs of national, international and economics, personalities and news, history, culture, economy, Indian constitution, all about your prime ministers, president, the members of Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha. Aajkal to Indian constitution is very much in topic, so Indian constitution you cannot just neglect it. Next is your sports news, your geography, corporate news, politics, literature, science, the entire thing. We have lots of slides on it which we have we show it on during our classroom programs. We have lots of PDFs also which help you in your preparation. So when you join us, we have the entire team working on it every day, so we can give you exact the relevant and the concise material guys. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि आप रोज पेपर उठाओ और that will be helpful. No, you have to understand what is it as per examination point of view guys. Okay, so to join us for all this, to get the advantage of all our expertise, you can join us through a crash course program what we will be starting from 18th of March. Not to miss, as we have just 50 seats as I told you, and you can book your seats even through the online payment if you can't come to the center personally, and the link has been mentioned in the description guys. We are located at Borivali, Dadar and the Vasai branch. The numbers have been mentioned here. We are pan India guys, so you can contact us on this number, and you can visit us on our website and for say maneuveredu.com BBA entrance guys. And in case if you want that our counselor should call you back, you can go to the description, visit this link, just add your name, city, location and the contact number. Our counselor will be more than happy to help you guys. And again I am mentioning the numbers over here so that there should not be any problem. And do subscribe the video for more such informations and more such detailed answering, and do like the video, do share with your friends and relatives who are appearing for the exams. All the best and do well. Thank you.